As a business owner or property manager in Little Rock, maintaining the condition and appearance of your commercial building is crucial to the success of your business. Among the many aspects of building maintenance, windows play a key role in energy efficiency, comfort, and aesthetics. Over time, windows in commercial properties can deteriorate, leading to increased energy costs, diminished curb appeal, and even safety concerns. Knowing when to replace your windows can save you money and ensure your building continues to perform at its best. Here are some clear signs that your commercial building in Little Rock may need window replacement. Increasing energy bills. One of the most common signs that your commercial windows are due for replacement is a noticeable spike in energy bills. Little Rock experiences hot, humid summers and relatively mild winters, but if your windows are outdated or inefficient, they can allow heat to seep in during the summer and escape during the winter. This forces your HVAC system to work harder, leading to higher energy costs. Energy-efficient windows can help regulate indoor temperatures, reducing the strain on your heating and cooling systems. If you've noticed a significant rise in your energy costs, it could be time to consider upgrading to modern, energy-efficient windows with better insulation. Visible damage or visible wear and damage are obvious signs that your commercial windows are no longer in good shape. Cracked or broken glass, warping, and rotting window frames not only affect the appearance of your building but can also compromise the window's ability to perform its function. Damage to window frames is particularly common in areas with high humidity, like Little Rock, where moisture can cause wood to rot or vinyl to warp. Additionally, old windows can become difficult to open or close properly, which may pose a safety risk for occupants. If your windows are visibly damaged, difficult to operate, or showing signs of deterioration, it's time to consider replacing them before they become a liability. Condensation or fogging between panes. If you notice condensation or fogging between the panes of your windows, it's a clear indication that the window seal has failed. In double or triple pane windows, the space between the panes is often filled with insulating gas, such as argon or krypton, which helps improve energy efficiency. When the seal breaks, that gas escapes, reducing the window's insulating properties. This allows moisture to get between the panes, leading to fogging or condensation. In Little Rock's humid climate, this can become a recurring issue, further degrading the energy efficiency of your building. If you notice persistent condensation between the panes, it's a sign that your windows are no longer performing as they should and need to be replaced. Drafts or air leaks. Drafty windows are another telltale sign that window replacement may be necessary. As windows age, the seals around them can degrade, allowing air to seep in from the outside. This can make maintaining a comfortable indoor environment challenging, especially during Little Rock's hot summers or cooler winter months. If your employees or tenants complain about drafts, or if you can feel air coming in when you stand near the windows, it's a sign that your commercial windows are no longer providing the insulation they once did. Replacing them with modern, properly sealed windows will improve comfort and help regulate indoor temperatures more effectively. Noise pollution. Excessive noise from outside your building can be disruptive for both employees and customers. Older windows, especially those with single panes, do little to block out exterior noise. Whether it's traffic, construction, or general street noise, if your commercial space is no longer a quiet, productive environment, it might be time to upgrade your windows. Modern windows with soundproofing features, such as double or triple pane glass, can significantly reduce noise pollution. This is especially beneficial for commercial buildings located in busy areas of Little Rock, where constant noise can be an issue. Deteriorating aesthetics. The appearance of your building matters, especially in a competitive business environment. Old, worn-out windows can make your commercial property look outdated and neglected. This can affect how customers and clients perceive your business, potentially driving them away. Replacing your old windows with new, stylish ones can instantly improve the curb appeal of your commercial building. Modern window designs not only enhance the look of your property but also contribute to a more professional and well-maintained appearance, which can attract new tenants, customers, or clients. Water leaks. If you notice water leaking into your building around the windows, this is a serious issue that requires immediate attention. Water infiltration can cause significant damage to your building's structure, leading to mold growth, weakened walls, and other costly repairs. Leaky windows are often a result of poor seals, frame damage, or old age. In Little Rock, where humidity and rainfall can be substantial. Ensuring your windows are properly sealed and functioning is critical to protecting your property. Windows are an integral part of your commercial building's performance and appearance. If you've noticed any of these signs, it may be time to consider replacing the windows in your Little Rock property. Upgrading to modern, energy-efficient, and aesthetically appealing windows can enhance the comfort, safety, and value of your building while reducing operational costs. Whether it's due to rising energy bills, visible wear, or increased noise, addressing window issues properly will benefit your business in the long run.